Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your announcer pack in Dota 2. To do this, you first need to open Dota 2 on your computer, and then click on the Armory tab, which is on the top of your screen, like so. Then go to Interface, and under the Audio section, click on Announcer Packs. Filter out the ones you don't have by unchecking this box. As you can see, I own 7 announcer packs right now. So to change your announcer pack, you just need to hover your mouse to the announcer pack you want to change to, like so, and then click on Equip. And now, this announcer pack is equipped. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!